Hello everyone. Before starting this topic, I would like to introduce new code editor. So, what is a code editor? Code editor is a tool used to write and edit the code, and it is very easy and simple way to run the code. So, we are going to use code editor online. So, means no need to run the code in the Python shell. Now I will open the code editor and we are going to use it. Now, so I will type Raspberry Pi in the Google search, and this is the Raspberry code editor. Once page is opened, click on Start Coding Python. We will see this later how to use it while running the Python code. Now there is no need to run the code on our machine at this moment because we can run the code online using online code editor.